Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message on your POCO F5 Pro. So in the first tab, open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and now look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I installed that one. Now decide that you want to get notification and add permissions to the camera and to the files. Now click on the plus to choose the source of the document and select the picture or more than one picture, of course. Click import. Now you can add this shape to the document. Click arrow. You can make this photo more visible for the receiver by the filters. If you already click accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. And now you can give a small note here. If you want to send more documents, click on the plus symbol like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.